Hello. Linda and I are getting ready to open up the orange hive. We were out here yesterday. They filled up almost this bottom. It's time to put a second deep on. So that's what we're getting ready to do. This is orange hive number 2. So there you go. Watch, don't remember. Okay, hold the only on the cage. I've already got that propolis all over it. So where are the tools?
Good question. Probably under this box. It has the.
We need to put the tools in the box. We don't know where they are all the time. Try to anyway. You see a few bees on the inner cover. Yesterday we were scraping a lot of burr comb off. We don't have a lot of it right now, so we're going to take the top feeder and move it. The deep on. Getting ready. We got the second deep on with the sugar.
Can you get it? Go back down there. Dylan, get the other picture for the next one.
Okay, go ahead, fill her up. It's budging out there.
I was gonna say, could have stopped probably.
Okay, bees, we're gonna leave you alone for 10 days.
You want to get the water?
Yeah, I'll go, while you pull that down, I'll go refresh this water one over there.